Hi everyone, my name is Kevin Keenan from Corec, and today I'm just going to show you what Trimble Connect is all about. Just literally opening a project, looking at data and seeing what you can actually do with this platform. So I've just a project created here, so I'm going to use the FTG Trimble Buildings. So in there I've data folders, so if you click on add, you can actually, it'll ask you, do you want to create a folder, create a 3D model, go into your map, or upload files. So I could go in there and literally start modeling in my virtual SketchUp, or for here I've already folders created. So I have a steel model, SketchUp model, a concrete model, and a CAD drawing. Okay, so in there I've multiple different reviews, releases, when the model was released last modified, activity, who's doing what in the groups. So once you have Trimble Connect, you can actually have multiple teams, multiple members. Here in the team, I click on my team, I've the Corec gang, and in there I have myself, Barry, Niall and Abel, which was in the group, and we just tested this to remove him from the group. So in there they can be all admin or they can be just users. By selecting on Niall there, I can actually take him off the admin and put him on a user group. Okay, and then I can actually take him off the Corec gang. I go into my data there and just go into my Explorer. Currently I'm using the online version, but you can also have a desktop version which has more platform for visualization, and you also have a mobile version. So if I go into SketchUp here, and then I have two SketchUps, my Corec 2018, 2020. So if I go into my 18, it loads up here in Trimble Connect, and what it does is it opens up my Trimble Connect 3D viewer, and it loads up the viewer. Then the model pops up, loads and pops up, and then you have your 3D model in here. So you can zoom in, look around, you can even open it in SketchUp if you want. You can see the model tree in here. You can see any revisions, to-dos, views, model attachments, so I can attach drawings to it. I can go in and do measures, so if I went in and did a measure, I can snap on to, we'll say, the corner, measure it across. I can actually take, share that and change all the different views, change the colors, so red, yellow, whatever you want. Do yellow, click on there, click there, whatever you want. I can create a to-do, so I can say check dimensions, issue with letter K, and then you can create another. You can go into more options and say it's critical or high or low priority. So it could be normal, due date when it's done, a type of an issue, so it's just a comment or inquiry, so I'll just inquire, and then who I'm going to assign it to, I'm going to assign it to Niall. So it pops up Niall Hand, and then I can tag other stuff in it as well to search. So I can hit submit there, and it creates a to do, and it emails Niall to look at that letter K. So that's just a little show you overview of the software. So literally there's your 3D view. I can also close out of that view and go back into my data, and you can see there's a little brief detail of my model there. I can actually see when I created last modified it. I can share it, and I can download the file directly from the cloud onto my desktop, or I could go in and move it, check out files, or export all files to Excel, see all the spreadsheets, any comments that are made, and the activity was done with that model. I go back to my data, go into my Explorer, The same as well with the steel model. I can go in and open it in Tekla, a Tekla model, so import it straight into the viewer. Loads up the 3D viewer again, and it loads up the model here. So here's the model appearing here now. So you can see all the steel details, base plates, UCs and UBs. In there I can go down to one of the base plates here. Oh. Yeah, and then take a shot of that, create a new view, and then title this base plate, description, base plate, and I can share it with Niall again, and then I can hit save, and then that view will save there. I can also add an attachment to that, so another attachment type, so I can put on a PDF, constructional drawing. I can show or hide whatever items I want to see, and I can also put them into little groups as well. So I'll just cancel that there for now, and then I can reset the model and bring me back in as well. So I can check my dimensions there, create to-dos, put a little cloud, mark it up, and see all different views in there. So that's just a little brief overview what it looks like for Trimble Connect. So I can create multiple projects, put multiple data into the cloud, and also display and connect to my desktop version and my mobile version. And from there you can collaborate with all the clients and all the shareholders on the site. Okay, thanks, bye.